guys, it's your girl Natural BB here, and I'm back with another video. So guys, for today's video I will be talking to you guys about this hair right here. I'm also going to be showing you guys how I installed it and where I got it from. So if you guys are interested, then please continue watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and leave me a comment down below, and let's get straight to this video. Guys, so first things first, this hair was sent to me by Eullair hair. This is the package it came in. I'm using my front camera, so it's probably gonna be upside down, but this right here just says Eullair. I think this is super cute. It's kind of different from the other packagings because they're usually in they're usually in boxes, and this is just in this pretty bag. So all that came in the packaging was the hair, 2 stocking caps, and a beauty blender. That's actually what I use to blend my little foundation, and it works really good actually, so thank you for that. And yeah guys, that's all that came in the packaging. So this hair right here is their curly hair. So this is their 4x4 lace closure. This is in the length 22 inches, and y'all, this is also, what is this also, what? Yeah. So y'all, I think this is 150% density, but I will leave it up on the screen for you guys. Yeah, that's basically all the details on the wig. So far the hair, when it first got here, y'all, like, again, I keep getting bomb hair. I haven't gotten one hair that I didn't like so far. This hair is super soft. The curls are super pretty. As you guys are going to see, I didn't comb this one out just because, like, there was no need for me to comb it out and make it full because it was already so full. So all I did was put this coconut oil curl styler cream pudding in there to make the curls pop some more, and it works like magic. The curls look gorgeous, and it's just super pretty. This hair doesn't really tangle. See? Of course the hair sheds a little bit, but it is curly hair, so it sheds only a little bit. Nothing drastic, so I can't really, like, I can't be mad at that. But y'all, the hair is bomb, the hair is popping, the hair is pretty. The installation process was super easy. The lace was like so easy to blend onto my skin. All I did was put some foundation on the wig cap and then put the wig on, and that's it. I didn't even put foundation on the parting. I mean, I could have, but I didn't, just to show you guys. And that's really it, y'all. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed the wig, so stay tuned.
Cause I was here with the others. Ooh, I photos, those are when you really love me, but those times were really far away. Ooh, yo te amo, pero no respondes. I think that you don't care, and I still wonder.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil. Pas de soleil, 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 pas de
Say your voice notes, baby, but you never answer. Cause I was here with the others.